Hello everyone. Today cyber attacks are growing faster than ever. And even a single vulnerability can expose an entire business. Today we will explore why detection matters and how the right Snowflake Intelligence Agent can stop a threat before it becomes a disaster. In today's video, we will explore how logs can be transformed from an external system into Snowflake and how intelligent agent can instantly answer a simple question with end-to-end clarity and speed. Ready to deploy script is available in GitHub and link is in description. Before we start our demo, I have small request. Please watch this video till end, and if you found it helpful, like, share and subscribe to appreciate the efforts that went into creating it. Drop your thoughts in the comment below. Let me know if you would like to see more such videos on Snowflake or on AI. Your feedback helps me to create content that matters to you. Why cybersecurity detection is important? Early detection helps identify threats such as malware, ransomware, or unauthorized access before system or data are compromised. Cyber incidents can lead to massive business disruption, ransom payments, fraud, and aggregatory fines. Detection minimizes this risk. Timely alert can stop or contain an attack, preventing outages and keeping system and operations running. The faster the time to detect a breach, the less the cost of the containment, recovery, and customer support after an incident. Many regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA require organizations to identify and respond to incidents quickly. Failure can result into a huge penalties. Security breaches damage public image. Strong detection capabilities show customers that their data is protected. Not all threats comes from external attackers. Detection helps spot abnormal internal behavior, intentional or accidental. Detection tools provide deep insight into attack patterns, improving long-term security strategies and defensive architecture. Let's take a quick look what we are going to hands on in today's video. First, we'll create a custom role. As always, I recommend it for every new solution. Assign required privileges to these custom roles. Define a network rule with mode as egress and type as hotspot, which allowed outbound access to specific domain. In today's video, we copy data from GitHub. Create an external access integration referencing the network rule we created. Create a structured table for cyber security analytics. Develop a Python stored procedure will ingest data from external system to a Snowflake. We'll create a semantic model using a semantic view from YAML. We'll create a Snowflake Intelligence Agent using a Cortex Analyst and attach the semantic view which we enable natural language querying. Provide descriptive metadata for better reasoning and responses. Test the agent with simple questions like sort some top suspicious IP addresses by bytes transfer or identify failed system events in last 24 hours. In this video, we first parameterize the objects. This script is ready to use. You just change the name of database, schema, warehouse, role as per your convenience and it will be ready to use. So I have used here SI Cybersecurity DB, SI Cybersecurity Warehouse, SI Cybersecurity Role, GitHub Network Rule and External Access Integration. First, we'll use sysadmin and create a database, create a warehouse. Using a security admin role, we'll create a custom role and assign this custom role to my current user. And also I am granting ownership of the database which we created to custom role, this is the right practice to follow, and schema to a custom role. Also, I grant a usage on the warehouse to a custom role. With account admin role, I grant privileges to create integration on account to the custom role, which is required to create an integration. Here, just notice this, I grant this custom role to account admin instead of sysadmin. The reason is I granted the custom role is create integration and it is account admin role, not sysadmin role. Use this role, database, schema and warehouse, and we'll create our first network rule. The mode is egress, the type is host port, and value is GitHub, as I am ingesting data from the GitHub. If you want more secure, create a secret. Here is the code. For this demo I am not using this secret. Okay. Now we are going to create external access integration using the network rule which we created in last step. Okay. Grant usage of this integration to a custom role. We created 3 tables here. One is for network logs, one is for query logs, and one is for system logs. Once my tables are created, I am ingesting data from GitHub to Snowflake tables. You can modify this script if you have some external system different from GitHub. Once this procedure is ready, I just call this procedure and it ingested data into my table. Now I have a data. Now time to create a semantic view. So I am creating semantic view from YAML, and if you are comfortable with UI, you can create using UI also, which is having facts, time dimension and dimension. Okay. Once this you execute, it will create a semantic view under the database and create 3 tables. So let me show you. So you can see here inside public there are tables, 3 tables are there. Semantic view, name is SI cybersecurity. Now time to create an agent. So click here, click on agent. It will open this screen. Just create an agent. I have already created for this video. So when you click on create agent, it will open this script, give the meaningful name and the description, add some sample questions you would like to add regularly. Go to tools. As I am analyzing structure table, I am creating tool under Cortex Analyst. Okay. Here select either semantic view or semantic model file if you have a YAML file, but I created semantic view for this demo, so go with semantic view. Give the location of that semantic view. So I have created under SI cybersecurity DB under public schema. So and select the view which you created. Give the name of the tool and description. If you want, you can use the generate with Cortex this complete description. Select the specific warehouse if you want, otherwise go with the user default. So the whatever user check, the default warehouse will use for this computation, and the timeout. Okay. Now go to orchestration and give the description, instruction what needs to be done, and also if you want to choose specific model you can choose, otherwise select auto. If you want to give privileges to access this someone other's role, just add the role and the person having that role will access this. Okay, and just save it. Now go to Snowflake Intelligence Agent. It will open this screen. You can see the agent which we created are listed here. You can ask any questions and you can see the agent detail over here. The sample question are here. I just asked the question, show top suspicious IPs by bytes transfer, and see it give a detailed analysis which all critical IPs are. What is the critical security indicators, highly suspicious pattern detected, and also they recommended the immediate access needs to be taken. It will give complete details of in graphical as well as table format. So this way it will be very helpful to detect any cyber security threats in your system. So in this video we walk through the complete process of building a cyber security detection pipeline in Snowflake, from setup to intelligence analysis, setup role, ownership and access, so Snowflake can create integration, run compute and manage objects, allow secure outbound communication to GitHub by defining approved domain for egress traffic, connect Snowflake securely with GitHub, so Python code can ingest data log file directly into Snowflake, set up a structured table for analysis, create a business friendly model that defines dimensions, facts, time and dimension for analytics, enable natural language investigation using the semantic model for fast threat detection, test the agent with real threat hunting question and very prompt accurate response. I have also uploaded one script on GitHub which will clean all your setup, so you can, after test you can clean that. So this is the script and all the scripts are uploaded on GitHub. Thank you so much for watching this video.